Comprehensive immigration reform. Proponents of comprehensive immigration reform use the phrase to mean a balanced approach to dealing with illegal immigration, balancing reform of the legal immigration system with a tough stance on securing the border. At least that's what they want you to believe. For us, the phrase comprehensive immigration reform is code for amnesty, a carte blanche welcoming of the 12 to 25 million illegal aliens who broke the laws of the United States in coming here and now want a forgiveness of that illegal activity under the guise of immigration reform. Usually proponents of comprehensive immigration reform shy away from using words like illegal alien, instead using words like undocumented immigrant. Of course they do. The goal here is to not use words like illegal, words that draw attention to the illegal nature of the act itself. And they prefer the term immigrant rather than alien because it blurs the difference between the immigrants who came to America the legal and right way and those who willfully choose to break the law and come in on their own terms. When this administration says it wants comprehensive immigration reform for all undocumented immigrants, here's the translation. This administration wants amnesty for all illegal aliens. Once you are aware of these word tricks, you can clearly see through the hype and rhetoric and see the facts. Consider this fact. Comprehensive immigration reform implies that while the administration will reform legal immigration, they will be tough on border security. Really? Since 2009, immigration administrative arrests are down 80%. Criminal arrests are down 68%. Criminal indictments are down 74%, and convictions are down a whopping 75%. If this is them being tough on those illegally entering the U.S., imagine how lenient they're going to be when they start tinkering with the legal forms of entry into the United States. And in fact, they have already started. At least, so say the employees of the Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, the men and women whose job it is to enforce the immigration laws of the United States. On June 11 of this year, the National Immigration and Customs Enforcement Council, acting on behalf of approximately 7,000 ICE officers and employees, cast a unanimous vote of no confidence against the director of the agency. In a now published letter, the group cites the reasons for their no confidence. They claim the mission of ICE is being compromised and skewed towards a goal of amnesty, agents not being allowed to enforce the law, lenience towards criminal aliens, misrepresentation of facts in an effort to implement a de facto amnesty by inaction policy. Damning words from the very men and women sworn to enforce our laws. Damning words that seem to be backed up by the statistics we've already presented in this video. Securing our border is about national security and public safety. If the leadership of the agency in charge of providing that security and safety fails to do their job or compromises their mission to enforce immigration laws, they should be swiftly removed from office. The border must be secure. It is a matter of national security and public safety. The mission of ICE must be clear and concise in its role in providing that security. The administration's enforcement of immigration law is lax at best and basically inept in terms of results. We can put a man on the moon, but can't secure our border? I disagree. Perhaps we just have the wrong people in charge of the process.